Hi and welcome, this is Eleni, and today I will share with you an older video where I'm using my favorite paint pens. You have seen me use them many times, but this video is filmed when I just got them and I'm trying them out for the very first time. In the beginning I will also show you how I fill some refillable pens with inks. It's a very simple process, as you can see, and you are left with amazing fine nib pens containing your favorite ink colors. They are so fun to draw with but also to write with, and I'm liking them very much. Here you can see how thin the drawing line is. They are called Dr. Ink by Davenport, and I will leave you a link below if you want to check them out. And then you will meet my favorite paint pens that are called Brush with Fame, and I will leave you a link to those as well. Now they are amazing paint pens. They are waterproof and opaque and matte that I find very helpful when you are a mixed media person, because you may want to use other mediums over them like pencils or pens, and you can totally do that with those. They are layerable, that means that you can draw with one color over the other, and they have a brush nib, that means that you can cover bigger areas easily. My first set that I got is the one I'm using in this video, and it's a set of 20 skin tone colors, and I'm also using a silver one and a gold one that comes in a separate set, and they are also available in 2 more colorful sets. So this video is just about my trial run with them, but I wanted to share it with you because I truly love them. So hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them below. If you appreciate my videos and want to support my channel, there are some easy ways to do that. You can like and comment under them, subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.